I pleaded so many times to stop the fighting, to find another answer, but did any of you listen?
For once in your life, would you please just listen to me? Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever.
It broke my heart to stay away, but I believed he'd be safer if I did. A safe haven for dragons everywhere.
This